Has the Tampa Bay real estate market started to change? My name is Keith Jamison. I'm with the Jamison team at Lightly Real Estate. We're going to go over the most recent statistics that dropped from Florida realtors in April and kind of detect where we could see some potential shifts and what that means for you, whether you're buying or selling. So as you look though, year over year, April 2022 to April 2021, obviously we've seen prices increase drastically, over 25% on average, from 397,524 to 494. And this is for the whole Tampa Bay metro region. We see things are going really, really fast. Still median time to contract 6 days. So still a very, very hot market. Now, what we have seen though, going from March, where in a lot of ways the data is showing us that we potentially peaked for this year, and we see last year just a ton of inventory moving, right? 5,253 homes in June. We're down to 4,219 in April. And that is a change of over 15% from April of last year, just in pure inventory numbers, and down over 500 sales from March. If we go into the median sales price though, we'll see that number has continued to increase. What we potentially could be seeing here, depending on how people react to the rate increase and how people react to what I will show you on the next one. I'll just go to it now. As you can see, average sales price went up too. But we have, here we go. We have an increase in inventory, right? So we went from 2937 up to 3594, but then you had less closed sales. A lot of these could be pending, things of that nature, but what we could be seeing is a leveling off. Not necessarily a pullback, because there is still plenty of people that are out there buying homes and homes are moving, but we could be seeing a little bit of a level off. It'll be really interesting to see the data from May, and we can maybe make more, educated predictions, seeing a little extra data. So if you are a buyer, obviously if you have a need to move, it's still one of those things sometimes you just have to do, right? You need to change school district, you need a bigger home, you're trying to downsize, you have to change for work, all of those things. While rates did go up, they're still historically on the low side. And, a lot of people are wanting to lock in those rates right now instead of seeing rates go even higher, which the Fed has predicted. If you are a seller, we obviously are still very much on the high side of prices. You have not missed the boat. We still are in a relatively low inventory situation, especially in certain areas. Where it's like the better school districts, different locales. I know every time I go down to St. Pete, it's just, there's very little in terms of certain areas that people just love. Carrollwood, even up here in Odessa, there's just a lot of pockets throughout the Tampa Bay area where the demand is very much there. So it is still a great time to sell. I would definitely recommend, giving us a call or giving your realtor a call to get, a comparative market analysis so you have an idea of what your home's worth and if it makes sense for you to move. If you have any other questions, our information is below. We'd love to help you any way we can. So once again, my name is Keith Jamison with the Jamison team at Lightly Real Estate, and we are opening the door to your next home. Bye.